Hi, I'm Michaela. This channel was born out of the hope to bring the light of Jesus to the internet. Do my part, if you will. I began with making videos about canning, farm animals, and gardening, and then out of the blue, one of my goat videos hit the earwax removal algorithm, and it just took off. I now had the attention of tons of earwax fanatics, but I knew I could never keep up with that niche. Blessedly though, I garnered a lot of watch hours from that video, and I am so grateful for any of you who stuck around from that point. Near about that time, I had a helpful canning video about reusing canning lids that also became popular. I loved canning and did a lot of it at that time, so canning videos were great fun. And thank you to anyone here from any of my canning videos. Between those two videos, the goat earwax video and the canning video, I was soon thereafter a monetized YouTube channel. I had acquired over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 watch hours, which are the requirements to become monetized, and it was so fun getting my first payout from YouTube. I think it was around $100. But then that was it. Time passed, I got slower and slower at uploading new videos. The editing was my struggle, just time. Couldn't find the time in my life to keep all the animals alive, plants alive, us alive, and go through content, of which I filmed a lot of. Another thing is, up to this point, I was doing all the videos on my cell phone. It was a Motorola G-Power, I think. Not the greatest camera, but totally acceptable in my opinion. The issue was the storage space, though. I couldn't edit such a large file and save that file in my phone. So multiple times I had full videos edited, but could never get them to save on my phone. And as you can imagine, this was extremely disheartening. So fast forward, we're going to talk the wedding dresses, right? So let's back up about the wedding dresses. Ever since I was a girl, my mom and I would discuss wedding dresses at the thrift store. She'd often tease that I should try it on just for fun, and most of the time I just rolled my eyes like a brat, but with maturity I decided to sometimes go ahead and try those pretty dresses on. There are some pictures floating around of me doing this here and there, but then back a few years ago, I was kind of in the groove of making videos, right? But usually they were not about dresses. But yet we're at the thrift store, and one day we walk in, there's the mother load of vintage wedding dresses. So I'm frantically filling my cart as I go through the rack. My mom and I, we just lock eyes with staring at each other every so often as we find a great one, silently just looking, grabbing, looking, grabbing. The cart's overflowing, okay? We head directly to the fitting rooms, whip the phone out, and start documenting this unbelievable haul. And then crickets on YouTube, okay? I uploaded that video and nothing, very few views. My earwax and canning subscribers apparently had little interest in that content. Oh well, I did it for a memory between my mom and I. And then here we are and then not here, but at that point, a whole year later, that vintage wedding dress, the vintage wedding dress video just goes bananas on the YouTube algorithm. Tons of views. By the grace of God, it was almost exactly a year later, which meant the thrift stores were filling up with wedding dresses again. So we went and made some more videos, and you all loved them. I loved it. It was so much fun. I was able to make enough YouTube money to buy a camera and a computer that will allow me to edit and store videos properly. All glory to God. Problem is, the thrift stores stopped allowing the fitting rooms to be used some time ago now. So this extremely ruined my motivation to bang a video out in between other projects. It was so easy before. Now, which if I forgot to mention, our projects included building a whole small family business centered around lavender and goats, and there's just so much to fill you in on. Alas, my point is, I love the vintage wedding dresses, so much so that all this time the thrift stores have closed the fitting rooms. I have been buying the dresses and collecting them to showcase for you. Then, after I get those wedding dress videos out, my plan is to work towards sharing with you more about topics that are important to me. This includes homeschooling, my experience being homeschooled and what I've prepared to homeschool children with in the future, a carnivore lifestyle, ex-vegan, ex-SAD, which stands for Standard American Diet, being skinny and carnivore, and then needing to eat this way to gain weight or gain strength, small business and entrepreneurship, e-commerce, including reselling and vintage, and there's probably a lot more topics I'll want to talk about. But here's the thing, if you hit subscribe, or if you're currently subscribed, then my videos will still most likely not show up in your For You page on the YouTube home screen, because YouTube is moving more and more into giving search results based on things that you're specifically interested in. So if you're interested in something that I post about, I'll show up for you, but I'm not going to be like spamming you with stuff that you don't like. Just search for what you like and YouTube knows how to get you those videos. So to end this all up, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of my subscribers, and I hope in the coming weeks you'll see me come through your suggestions for one of these topics we bonded over, and maybe we'll even bond over a new one. Stick around and I'll be back to show you more of what's going on this side of the firmament. Remember, Jesus is the only way. Keep the faith and finish the race.